Hello there, my friend. I'm in the elevator and want to go home. I'm on the way going home to my house. I'm walking alone right now, and I'm talking to my phone. Is it and awkward momo. What do I say? There is a bus right there, Unit 10 bus, and yep, just passing me by on the wrong way. And for your information, just now when I got my class, I got class on the 4th floor. That is my lab. Is it a nice weather now? Nice weather. But actually, there is a bus behind me. Oh my god, I just missed a bus. Great, just great. Just now, it was very, very heavily rain. Yep. I don't know what to talk right now. So I don't want to say anything or talk to you guys. And thanks for watching. Bye.